Ooh, I just thought of a good. Yeah, I'm Mrs. Stutter today.
What's up? Okay. Oh boy.
I have a question. AMA for Toby.
Yeah.
What coin do you think will be the first to hit $1 million?
I mean,
Oh, I stumped him.
That's a hard one.
Because it could be like Pandora.
It
like
could be
a
Pandora.
super low supply coin.
It could be, because think about it this way. Like, first movers in this space, take, for instance, Uniswap. I can do my research right now. I'll do this right now. I love this stuff.
Okay. Well, while you do that, I'll talk because I asked that because if you guys remember, was in the last bull market 2021 with YFI? Was that 2021?
Yeah, Wi-Fi. It hit $100,000.
Yeah, it price wise was much more expensive than Bitcoin, and that's because it had an incredibly low supply. So it doesn't necessarily mean longevity or, ultimate success, but I wonder which one is it going to be $1 million first. Let me know in your comments what coin you think is going to hit $1 million first.
Okay. So I did the math. So Uniswap was a first mover in terms of decentralized exchanges, right? And so it's 25, like right now, it's 25 times the market cap of Pandora. Pandora is right now $22,000. So if we do 25 times $22,000, right now, that's $550,000 per coin. And that's at the beginning of this bull market, pretty much. And now, Uniswap did rise way more when it first came out, which meant the market cap was much, much, much higher. So if Pandora even goes close to that, it's $1 million a coin. Not saying that's going to do that. I'm just saying that's a first mover advantage, and it can really pay off. Because, like I said, it's only got 10,000 coins out there, and a lot of people are not going to let those coins go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Good answer. Good question, Heidi. Okay. Market maker question again from Ashley. Who are the market makers on centralized exchanges? How does this all work? There are, believe it or not, companies that are for centralized exchanges that are specifically called market makers. That is, their business is to provide liquidity on a centralized exchange. Maybe they'll cut a deal with the exchange and have like cheaper fees because they're basically storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, large amounts of wealth to be traded against. And maybe they'll take a fee for that. On decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, also called AMMs, automatic market makers. Basically, the liquidity is coming from people who can, they're called liquidity providers. So it's not a big company that's doing this. It's individuals that contribute to pools.
You'll probably hear the term LPs.
Yeah.
That's liquidity providers. And this is brand new for the financial world, that average people like us can get in instead of being an accredited, banker or whatever.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah. Maybe a silly question. No such thing as a silly question. This is a good one. It's someone that a lot of people that are new to crypto ask because they can't figure out how the different markets and exchanges can have similar prices. So she asks, when you buy and sell on decentralized exchanges, are the buys and sells moving the market prices for all exchanges, including centralized exchanges? Now, the cool thing about crypto is that it's very liquid. You can move it from one place to another very quickly, 24 hours a day. You don't need permission from a bank to move funds. And that means that basically arbitrage is an opportunity for some places where if you go on, let's see, CoinGecko.com and you click on, let's say, Bitcoin, and then you click on the markets tab, it'll show you the trading pairs of Bitcoin and the prices that they're trading for. And some of them have better and worse prices. And that's reflective of the amount of activity and trading activity happening on different exchanges. If you see a spot where you can buy Bitcoin cheaper and then sell it more expensive by moving it to another exchange, you are helping to contribute to evening out the prices and spreading it amongst different exchanges. Some people have made a lot of money on
tons of money,
arbitrage
especially
trading.
in the early days. Not so much now.
Yeah, not so much now. But that's to explain basically how how the prices across multiple exchanges are very similar. It's because people are hunting for those opportunities, and in them doing so, it evens out the price.